Hey, what's going on YouTube? Alright, so in this video we're gonna change this window skirt here. See how nasty it is. This will be on the first generation VR-4 I bought for $1,000. Just you see that in the other videos. The one I got started with the new ECU. And you can see how nasty it looks. The new window skirt that I put on, it's really not new. That's going to come off the donor car, the white one, that's in the other videos on my channel. I saved the window skirt when I was taking apart the other car before I even bought this one, just because I saved, I guess, like everything off that other car, which ended up panning out because I guess I would have had to paint this one, but this way I didn't really have to paint this one. And this is me taking this little plastic grills out, which are actually trickier than they look. But luckily those aren't broken. Those are all, you know, together. They're just dirty. So later in this video I show me cleaning them up, getting all the debris out of them. Now this is after I sprayed it all down with a hose. I think I edited this video a little out of sequence, you'll see. Yeah, you can see some debris that's down where under the grills were. This is after I squirt it down with a hose and get a lot of the mud and dirt off there, which you'll see coming up in a second. And on the window skirt, it's just 6 screws maybe. They're all Phillips heads. Yeah, see, this was before I sprayed with the hose. You can see how really bad it was. And I just cleaned a lot of the dirt out by hand too. And you can see the windshield, how dirty the windshield is. And I just hit that with some Windex. And I'm just using those cheap little blue shop rags you'll see in all my videos. Just the stuff you get at AutoZone. And these are the grills. I go ahead and I put them in my parts washer and just let them soak for a couple days. And now we're back. I think it's a couple days later because you can see that I'm wearing a t-shirt this time, so it's a lot warmer out. And after they've been soaking for a little while, we pull them out and clean them up. And it's just some canned air. And then I just spray on some Armor All. I don't know if it helps. They looked a little shinier afterwards. So, whatever. that one went a lot easier. And then now we're gonna walk back down to the garage, get the window skirt, the one off of the donor car. Now the one off of the donor car, I did paint it. It's very flat when it comes off the car. I went ahead and painted it with another flat black, and the flat black that I used actually made it look a little shinier than the original, which is fine. It's not that bad. I also pulled the plastic off the original one. Not the plastic, the rubber. I pulled the rubber off and cleaned that up and then put it back on. But when I put it back on, I had to use glue, and I used Gorilla Glue. And if you look closely, you can see some white where right there, you can see the white where the rubber and the metal meet. Now I'm gonna have to go back and hit that with like a Sharpie or some paint or something, just touch it up, because that part leaked through and then dried white. And just putting it on, you just slide it on and put the screws back in. And then I did about 5 or 6 coats on the windshield wipers. I just used the flat black can of spray paint from Lowe's. I'll show which one at the end of the video. And then I put this in here, this spider here. And I want to know if anybody knows what kind of spider this is. This is the second one to come out of that car. I don't know, it's like Virginia spider. I don't know what the heck that is. If you know what it is, let me know. I'm just curious. Anyway, just putting more coats on the windshield wipers. Yeah, this is yeah, that's what I was pointing to. The glue. It's a little better look at it that I'm gonna have to touch up and hide. And then putting the windshield wipers back on. It's pretty easy. Just I had to figure out here that they have to be bent when you put them on, so that they'll lay flat enough for you to be able to screw down that nut there. You can see the windshield wipers are flatter than the skirt. Those were 2 different cans I used. I don't remember what I used to put a coat of paint on the skirt. It's not bad. Pretty good. Pretty good considering where we started with. And then before the video ends here, I'll show the solvent that I use in the parts washer. In case anybody's curious, the guy I bought the parts washer for, I bought off Craigslist. He told me the best stuff to use was the stuff you got at Tractor Supply. He said it wouldn't eat the paint. So I got this stuff here. It was like $45, I think, around there for 5 gallons. But that's the stuff you get for your parts washer. Apparently that's the best stuff. So, and then the paint, like I said, it was just a random can of spray paint from Lowe's, flat black. So yep, if you like it, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff. See you next video.